everybody. I'm now at Lake Wales, Florida, for my paramotor training. And right over there is the school. They have another building also, but I'm not sure where it's at. It's at the north end. And right there is the municipal airport, and right over there is skydive training center. Anyhow, this is my setup for right now. I'm going to be here for 2 weeks, something like that, and this is where I'm at. The hub is doing fine now that the brake hose, rubber brake hose going to that caliper was changed. It is no longer getting hot. It's staying about the same temperature as the other side, which is a good thing. I did buy 2 hoses, so I'm going to have the right side changed as soon as I can, just because you don't know when it's going to fail, and I don't want to get into that situation where I was at before. But anyhow, I just figured I'd give you a quick glimpse of where I'm at. I wish I would have had my camera a couple hours ago, because they were skydiving right above me and landing on the other side of that building. It's pretty cool. About 6 of them jumped. They were all had I guess it was 2-man, it was a practice or whatever you want to call it. But anyhow, that's what's going on. My class starts Saturday. This is Wednesday right now, Wednesday evening. So anyhow, I'm hoping to be able to videotape some things. I'll have a like a chest camera on, and be able to videotape me taking flight, and maybe other people. I'll have a little compact power bank with me, plugged into this camera right now, and hopefully it will film for several hours, and I'll just have to edit that down. Anyhow, I just figured I'd let you know what's going on. Right now everything's going good, and we'll see you in the next video.